If you're wondering why she not have on no clothes, hey FinaPles, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back, but this is not my coming back video. My coming back video was just before this, and I'll leave a link to it in the iCard right here. So I am back, and today I'm thinking that we're gonna do a smoky eye, a black smoky eye. Yeah, a black smoky eye. So you guys, I have been gone, and it's for reasons that I wish not to say here on YouTube. So yeah, let's get right into this makeup tutorial. And oh, if you're wondering why she not have on no clothes, I have on clothes, okay? I have on clothes. It just looks like that on camera, but I do have on clothes. So my eyelids right now are kind of creamy from the foundation. As you guys can see, I did apply foundation, so I put some of the foundation on my eyes. So I'm just gonna take this brush and just blend it out, because we don't want no creasing at all. And just like the other video, you'll see me doing one eye on camera and one eye off camera. If you guys hear any noise like that in the background, again, it's because they're doing construction still in my area, so there will be a lot of interruptions. I'm gonna go in with my Saharan palette, and I'm going to take Katsina, which is this caramelish color, and then I'm going to put that on top of my crease. And this is more of a flesh tone shade, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to go in with Jamila, and I'm going to put that right below Katsina. And I did not change my brush. And I left my Sacha Buttercup down here to catch any fallout. And I'm blending Jamila up to Katsina lightly. Blending is key, guys. Make sure you blend your eyeshadow. And make a smooth transition between the two colors. Like that. I'm going to be taking my LA Pro primer, and this is in black, and I'm going to put that on my lid as a base for the black. And you make a kind of half moon shape on top of the lid. And now it's blending time. We're going to blend out the black, especially the edges. We're gonna blend it upwards. And the good thing about this is that you don't have to apply liner if you don't want to. So we're gonna be using this palette for the entire look today, and we're gonna go in with shadow, and we're gonna place that right on top of the base. Look at how pigmented that is now. Go back in with Jamila and put that back. I'm just cleaning up the corners here with some foundation. This is my Milani powder in Pecan, and this is a pressed powder. So one thing you have to understand about makeup is that you can always erase your mistakes. Now that is done, I'm going to come back because I'm gonna go apply my lashes, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna finish the rest of my face. Alright then, so these are the lashes that I found. I love these lashes, but I feel like they are too dramatic for this look. So if you guys can find something more natural, do that if you're following along with me in this tutorial. Alright, so we have to do something on my lower lash line. We have to. So I am going to go in with Chad. We're still working with the same palette, and I'm going with Chad just a little bit. I could have used the primer that I use for my lid for this, but that's that. Now I am going to mix Sukutu and Jamila, which is these two. blending it down. And because I want to be a bit extra, I am going to put Zoya in the inner part of my lower lash line. Yeah, so now I'll give my inner corner a little bit of highlighted look. Now we're gonna go in with my face. Should I do my lips first? Let's do my highlight. And for my highlight, I'm going to be go in with my Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in Rose Gold. Now I'm going to go in with my navy liner in dark brown, and this is what the brand looks like. They're very cheap on Amazon. I always rave about these lippies. These are my Kat Von D dupes from Amazon, and I'm pretty sure the shade, the number came off, but I think it's number 6. And I have to apply some clear glass. So I'm gonna go in with my Colossal Big Shot Mascara for my bottom lashes. Then last but not least, I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe continuous setting spray. And as per usual, I'm going to use my powder brush and just push everything into my skin so that we get that airbrush look. So yes guys, this thing have been bothering me for a very long time, and this is one of the reasons why I didn't want to do any tutorial for you guys, but I've been getting a lot of message from you guys via Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. Oh, by the way, make sure you guys go and follow me on those social media handles. And you guys were asking me, when am I coming back? When am I coming back? I have been gone for 2 months, guys. 2 months, and you guys still stayed with me, and I so appreciate that love you guys have for me. I never thought that I would be getting so much love here on YouTube, but thank you. It's because of you guys, my followers, my subscribers. I love you guys, and if you guys haven't yet subscribed and you're watching me for the very first time, make sure you click up the red button what says subscribe and the little bell next to it. Make sure you click the bell, you know, and stick and stay with me, because I plan to stay with you guys forever, ever, if I can, if God allows me to. That's what I'm going to do. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and bye.